Welcome to a breathtaking spring journey from St. Moritz to Chur along one of the most stunning rail routes in the world. This is the famous Albula Line, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where nature and engineering dance together in perfect harmony. As we leave St. Moritz, gentle sunlight touches the still snowy peaks, while the valleys below burst with new green life. Cherry blossoms bloom near the tracks, and clear alpine lakes reflect the bright spring sky. The train winds through stone villages and climbs past forests, waking up from winter as we cross curved viaducts and sweep into spiral tunnels. The beauty of Graubünden unfolds like a living painting. Soon we approach the legendary Landwasser Viaduct, where the train glides across towering arches, then disappears straight into a mountain. It's a moment of pure wonder, especially in spring with wildflowers blooming in the valley far below. You can see the tail of the train curve behind like a silver ribbon wrapping through time and landscape. We pass through cozy towns like Bergen and Philliser, where spring air carries the scent of pine and distant cowbells echo in the hills. As we descend, torch of the mountains seem to wave goodbye, and the warmth of the season fills every frame. This is not just a ride, it's a spring symphony of snow, sunstone, and story unfolding on rails. we gently roll into Chur, the oldest city in Switzerland, our spring journey comes to a peaceful in the alpine peaks fade softly behind us, and the valleys open into stories of tradition and charm. What a beautiful ride has been through tunnels, bridges, blossoms, and breathtaking views. If you enjoyed this scenic adventure from St. Moritz to Chur, please share this video and subscribe to Shutterbug in Norway for more journeys filled with wonder and quiet joy. Your support helps us bring more beauty from around the world straight to you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired.